Your assignment this week brings you to a coding hands-on activity. You will see this screen when you follow the link. In this screen, I've asked for you to click on Make a Basketball Game after you watch the video. In the basketball game, you are going to read all the instructions here. And if you need to read or listen to the instructions, you have special icons here in the upper right corner. Take your time, read each one carefully. It says, for example, attach a block to when left arrow block is pressed. So in other words, when the left arrow is pressed, I want it to move left. I run it, and when I do this, you'll see that my hand moves left. You are going to step through 8 different instructions here. It's going to take some time because it gets harder as each step progresses. Once you get to the 8th step, you can click on I finished, or in this case, when you get to the 8th step, you will choose Run. And for the first time, you will see the Finish button here because we've completed our 8th step. When you click Finish here, you will get a window that looks like this. This URL needs to be copied because you're going to paste it into the weekly module assignment area. Once you do that in your Blackboard section, the next thing you'll do is come back here. You will click on Finish. When we click Finish, you're going to earn your certificate of completion. You're going to put your name here. You're going to print it. Okay, I want you to print it because when you print it, this is what's going to happen. It's going to come up on your screen. And when you print it, you can right-click on it and you could save it as an image. When you save it as an image, I want you to name it with your last name. And you can save it in downloads or whatever. You save it. And then you're going to go back to the assignment in Blackboard and attach it to that assignment. So there's 2 things, right? Your URL to your completed game, and you're going to attach this certificate of completion. The second part of this coding assignment is for you to choose one of these play labs. And I like the Flappy one. Honestly, it's the easiest one to do out of the 3. You will click on the link. It will take you to a new activity where you need to watch the video. And this activity, the Flappy Code one, actually, there's about the same number of steps. And I think you'll find it a little easier than the basketball. So this will also take you about 15 to 20 minutes. So you've got about a good hour's worth of coding for you to complete for this assignment. When you finish this one, you can actually, once again, just attach your certificate of completion to that one as well.